Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you with me as always, and I hope you're all having an amazing Tuesday. It is January 27th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was relatively light. At 9 a.m., we received the House Price Index, followed by the Richmond Manufacturing Index and CB Consumer Confidence at 10 a.m. On the corporate side, there were no major tech earnings after the bell. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the market edged slightly higher. As a result, our short position was showing an unrealized loss heading into the overnight session. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, our short position was closed for a loss of $168 as the market maintained its upward bias. Cash session and intraday trades. At the 9:30 a.m. market open, Intel showed notable strength, while Tesla remained weak. Our trading robot entered a long position, which was later closed for a profit, successfully reducing the realized loss to $65. At 10 a.m., the economic data came in. House Price Index rose 0.6%, up from 0.4%. Richmond Manufacturing Index printed -6, improving from -7. CB Consumer Confidence fell to 84.5, down from 94.2. Despite these releases, the market showed minimal reaction. Our robot responded by switching into scalping mode. Before noon, realized profit stood at $33. Afternoon session and into the close. During the afternoon session, the market continued to hover around the 26,000 level, lacking clear directional momentum. After the bell, there were no tech earnings, bringing an end to a busy Tuesday of trading. Summary. Overall, it was an up day for the index. Our robot finished with a net profit of $28, while QQ trades contributed $144. SLV trades added $146. This brought the total profit for the day to $318. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this daily journey. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.